This Blink Video Doorbell, available in sleek black, combines modern technology with convenience to provide an efficient and user-friendly home security solution. This review delves into its features, performance, and overall value, helping you decide if this product is the right fit for your home. Reasons to buy Blink Video Doorbell: high-definition 1080p video quality, infrared night vision for clear nighttime footage, easy installation with wire-free and wired options, two-way audio for real-time communication, customizable motion detection alerts, flexible storage options cloud and local, long-lasting battery life, Alexa compatibility for smart home integration, secure and encrypted data storage. The Blink Video Doorbell is designed to be versatile and easy to install. Its compact and sleek design fits seamlessly with any home exterior. The doorbell can be installed wire-free using the two included lithium batteries or connected to existing doorbell wiring for continuous power and to trigger your in-home chime. Installation is straightforward and can be completed in minutes. The package includes all necessary mounting hardware, and the Blink Home Monitor app provides step-by-step instructions to guide you through the process. The app connects the doorbell to your Wi-Fi network, enabling you to start monitoring your front door immediately. One of the standout features of the Blink Video Doorbell is its 1080p HD video quality, which provides clear and detailed footage of your front porch. During the day, the video is sharp with vibrant colors, allowing you to easily identify visitors and activities. At night, the doorbell uses infrared night vision to capture clear images in low-light conditions, ensuring your home is protected 24/7. The two-way audio feature allows you to communicate with visitors in real time. Whether you are at home or away, you can use the Blink app on your smartphone to see and speak with anyone at your door. This is particularly useful for receiving packages, giving instructions to visitors, or deterring potential intruders. The Blink Video Doorbell is equipped with motion detection technology, sending you alerts whenever movement is detected in its field of view. You can customize the motion sensitivity settings through the app to reduce false alarms from passing cars or swaying trees. Additionally, you will receive alerts when someone presses the doorbell, allowing you to quickly respond to visitors. These alerts are delivered directly to your smartphone, ensuring you never miss a visitor or an important event. The quick response time of the notifications helps in managing real-time interactions and enhancing the security of your home. The Blink Video Doorbell offers flexible storage options for your recorded footage. With the purchase, you receive a free 30-day trial of the Blink subscription plan, which allows you to save and share clips in the cloud. This subscription is ideal for users who want easy access to their video history and additional storage capacity. Alternatively, for those who prefer local storage, the Sync Module 2 and a USB drive, each sold separately, can be used to store video clips locally. This option provides a cost-effective way to keep your recordings without recurring subscription fees. The choice between cloud and local storage ensures you have a backup of your important video footage. The Blink Video Doorbell is compatible with Amazon Alexa, enhancing its functionality within a smart home ecosystem. When connected to Alexa, you can receive alerts, view live footage, and communicate with visitors using voice commands. This integration adds an extra layer of convenience, allowing you to manage your home security using Alexa-enabled devices like the Echo Show. For optimal performance, especially when using the doorbell wire-free, it is recommended to pair it with the Blink Sync module sold separately. The Sync module enhances the doorbell's capabilities, providing extended battery life and better connectivity, and enabling live view and two-way audio on demand. One of the key advantages of the Blink Video Doorbell is its long-lasting battery life. The included lithium batteries can power the doorbell for up to 2 years, depending on usage and settings. This extended battery life reduces the frequency of battery replacements, making it a low-maintenance option for homeowners. For those who prefer a continuous power supply, the doorbell can be connected to existing doorbell wiring. This setup not only powers the doorbell but also triggers your traditional in-home chime, providing a familiar notification method for visitors. Blink prioritizes user privacy and security. The Blink Home Monitor app allows you to customize privacy settings, ensuring your data is protected. Video footage is encrypted and can only be accessed by authorized users. This focus on privacy and security provides peace of mind, knowing that your home and data are safe. Conclusion: the Blink Video Doorbell is a versatile and reliable home security solution that combines high-quality video, two-way audio, and smart home integration. Its easy installation process, flexible power options, and customizable features make it suitable for any home. With long battery life, secure data storage, and compatibility with Alexa, the Blink Video Doorbell offers excellent value and peace of mind for homeowners. Whether you are looking to upgrade your home security system or install a new doorbell, the Blink Video Doorbell is a top choice that delivers on performance, convenience, and security. Don't miss out on the benefits of this advanced video doorbell system that keeps you connected and in control of your home's safety. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more in-depth reviews.